Hello, y'all. Hey, do you remember me?
You don't remember me, but I remember you.
Of course you do, because we're still slogging our way through this excellent semester on week 5, and what we got going on here is after you're watching the YouTube of week 5, you're going to engage into the week overview, and that's going to tell you what to do, which is what I'm telling you to do right now. And that is to do some data collection. I want you to go out into the database, so to speak. The Department of Corrections websites for various states is a good place to go and just get some information about their state prison population. I have placed for you a couple of links embedded into the overview that will show you some examples of how to get that stuff going on. So if you go see the Georgia Department of Corrections or the Montana Department of Corrections, California Department of Corrections. California is a good one because they did a lot of downsizing out there, and just kind of report on what your findings are regarding the populations that they are incarcerating. Are violent criminals being incarcerated more or less? Are drug offenders being incarcerated more or less? Compared to states' populations, California to Georgia's drug offender population, something like that. So that's what the assignment is this week, is to get that data collection under your belt, because there's one thing you need to be able to do as a master's degree researcher, and that is collect data. And then you need to report on it. So we have 2 assignments. You're going to do the data collection first, and then you're going to report on your data collection. An essay. I don't need a big long essay, nothing formal, just a few paragraphs on your observations on how things are shaping up between a couple of different correctional populations, a couple of different policy differences between 2 states, or something along that line. This week I have also placed for you a tutorial on how to get your paper into APA format. I know you've written APA papers before. You may be experts at it for all I know. But I have a few tricks that I like to share with people on how to get that thing done and how to make it work. So go ahead and check that out. So before you take over me or anybody else, get that homework done, and I'll see you next week. Okay? Check out your tutorial. Give me a call if you need it. See you later. Bye-bye.